Hello everyone, welcome back again to this video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can install RapidScan. So RapidScan allow you to scan vulnerable website. So RapidScan, okay, GitHub. So just head over to GitHub and you can download either the zip file if you want to follow my tutorial, or you can just use the standard method that they are using, so by just copying the RapidScan git clone. So if you want to follow my tutorial, then you can just download the zip file. I have already downloaded it on my desktop. So all we need to do is to open a new tab or terminal, and here from your terminal, and let me just zoom in so you can clearly see. So Kali desktop. Then we need to unzip the archive, so let's go unzip RapidScan. CD RapidScan. So here you can type Python 3 RapidScan.py and then the website that you want to target. So let's try scan. Okay, that is how simple and fast you can install RapidScan to your Kali Linux 2024. So very fast and easy. So now it is initiating the preliminary scan phase, as you can see here. So it's now performing the scanning. So that is how simple you can install the RapidScan in your Kali Linux machine. So if you want to use this, you can download it on GitHub to check your website vulnerability, so you can use it. So guys, that is for today's video. I hope you will use it, or you will install it also to check whether this tool is effective. So thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.